Radish, the founder of a growing system culture. All you do is put your seeds in the planter and it grows your food for you. Yeah, it's real cold out, wintry in wintertime, but yet I know that I'll always have food. And I have natural, wholesome, healthy food. And so all you do with Torpedopot is that you walk up to the planter, you throw your seeds in, and literally it grows your food for you. And what you do is you come out and you harvest your food when you need it. I need a good breakfast, so I'm coming out to harvest. With that being said, we've made many harvests from these planters, and we always go for the biggest. So even though we're in the cold seasons, we want to be able to harvest our food as much as possible. So for someone who tells you that your food does not grow in the wintertime and you cannot harvest your food, I want you to tell them you need to take a look at Torpedopot. Because Torpedopot grows your food for you. You don't have to worry about growing food again. So all I did was to drop my seeds in to get baby radish. Now, don't get it wrong, the radish that we're growing in here must have been maybe about an inch and a half, and some have been as long as 7 8 inches in the ground. So this is the cold season. So the growth of all the major harvests we've been able to eat, we've enjoyed. Now we're coming back and we're thinning them out through the wintertime, so we can have delicious food when we need to. And that's what Torpedopot does. It grows your food for you. Let's move further down here. See what else we can find. So, again, all you do is to walk up to this planter. You drop your seeds or your plants in this planter, and literally, it will grow your food for you. You just have to find out when are you ready to harvest. Isn't this amazing? Torpedopot just grows everything, and I don't have any problem with eating. I don't have a problem with having any food at all. Matter of fact, I never have to go to the supermarket again in my life because my food grows right at my doorstep. I have it at my home. So that's more than enough for a nice meal this morning. But I want to thin them out with some other big ones. So let me give me a chance to capture these and find out more big ones, and I can pull that off. So when I do, I create space for the others to grow. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is walk up to this planter and you drop your seeds in this planter, and literally it grows your food. You never have to grow your food again. You never water your plants. You never feed your plants. You only feed them. That's amazing. What you don't see is that we have seeds inside of here that we planted 2 weeks ago, and they're already growing and emerging. Now, the reason why with the radish we'll never run out of food is because, well, the radish, we'll get a harvest every 20 days. So every time I throw seeds in this container, and there are about 100 seeds, then I'll get fruit from those seeds, about 100 plants. I can thin the plants out and cause them to grow to big bulbs, even bigger than this. These are small. Or I can have them harvest the leaves off of the plant and eat them as I choose to do fit. Torpedopot accommodates to your lifestyle. There's no one lifestyle to use Torpedopot. You do whatever you want to do. You can grow during the winter, or the summer, or the fall. You can grow watermelons, cantaloupes, you can grow beans. It doesn't make a difference. Torpedopot will accommodate all of your growing needs. I'm going to have me a ball. I'm going to get some more because I'm so greedy right now. And so I'm going to see what else is in here so I can start harvesting. Normally what I do is that when I pull them out, I replace them with seeds. So I'll continually have a harvest and it will never, ever go bad. Guys, this right here, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. You see the knob on these planters? The knob on these planters? What they do is that they grow your food for you with no human intervention. We use the biotics in the soil to literally grow your food. You'll never have to grow your food again in your life. And you'll have a lot of it. You'll have a lot of food. I'm going to wash these off and have them right now. Let's see what else is in these planters. I get as much as I can. I need to put more seeds in this one, so I'll put some more seeds in. Maybe later on today I'll stop by. Let's move the camera down a little bit more. Now, it was freezing a couple of days ago, okay? It's gonna be freezing a lot more days too. And so I don't harvest my plants when it's freezing out. These Torpedopots, what they do, they act as an incubator for my plants. So I wait until temperatures start to be more favorable, and then when the ground thaws out, and then I come back and I get my food. These are a little bit, let me see, these a little bit, these are long ones, but they're not fully developed yet. Hey guys, this is radish. It's growing in a self-growing plant. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the root system and everything else. You're trying to tell me, the only might tell you that there's no growth during the wintertime. There is. We just don't have systems that allow for that type of growth during the wintertime. So Torpedopot allows for that to happen. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it literally grows your food for you. Sometimes when you have the tall leaves, you realize something really good is down there. Let's try a little more. These are still young and tender. We've already harvested a lot from these planters, so I don't expect it to be, and we literally ravished that whole planter. So what I'll do is that now I gotta go back, and I've got some more food in here, but I'm gonna throw some seeds in these planters so I can grow more food. So we've got about 9 planters total that will be growing our radish. It's just our radish. We have kale, we have carrots. Oh my gosh, what else do we have? Kale, carrots, we have radish. I think we have a couple of, salad does it. We have celery and other things that are growing inside of our Torpedopots. And all we do is just drop them in as seeds and they grow for us. We don't ever have to grow our food again in our lives. It just does it all for us. Radish at Torpedopot.com. I'll talk to you guys later. You need a growing solution that feeds you and your family 24 hours a day. When I throw my seeds in this Torpedopot, I'm guaranteed to have a harvest every 20 days. It's not like the ground. You throw your seeds in the ground and nothing comes out of it. This is a Torpedopot. It grows your food for you. All you do is put your seeds and your plants inside of this planter, and it literally grows your food. And literally just pulling it out of the planter, carrying it to my table, and I'm eating it, and I'm enjoying it. Radish at Torpedopot.com, Radish at Torpedopot.com. I hope you guys enjoy it also. Later.